changes.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome into the channel, and I saw a cool video. One of you linked to me, asked to stay private, so I'll honor that. But Amazon is opening a low-cost furniture, small space furniture shop online. Now, we know Amazon's been opening some brick and mortars. By the way, how do you guys feel about places like Amazon opening brick and mortar stores? Like, is that crazy? They have like a four-star review and Up store out of Seattle. They had a couple other. They did those grocery stores, the Amazon Go, where you could literally just grab all your stuff, throw it in the cart, and walk out, and it would scan everything as you picked it up and charge your Amazon account. You didn't even need a cashier or checkout or anything. What do you guys think of those? I think they're pretty cool. I think they're awesome technology, as long as they work. Also, the Amazon online small furniture. I'm going to link a bunch of them below so you can check it out. This is fantastic for all of you that have a small living space. They have bedroom and living room and normal stuff, but they also have organizational storage and business office, home office items that are very space friendly, like fold up desk. I'll put some screenshots up here while I'm recording, and of course I'll link them below for you guys. Now, the thing about that is, a lot of you that watch my channel, obviously resellers, you're entrepreneurs, you're business owners, you're YouTubers, vloggers, whatever it is that you are. Some of you have a really small, limited amount of space, or a home office, or a bedroom, a spare bedroom you're using, and you have to maximize what you have as far as storing inventory or storing your computer and your desktop and your laptop. And when I was in my old house, that house was not even 1,800 square feet. It was like 1,790. It was a 3.2 1790. I owned that house. That was like, my first real house, and I had it for 7 or 8 years. And I had to maximize space. You guys remember my recording. I recorded at a dining room table that I hung up stuff behind me. I'm very lucky now that, we moved into a house that's just way too big for what we needed or wanted, or for just the two of us soon. But it's just not the same, when you have that space versus being very frugal with your space and your limitations. So I totally understand that. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to share with you guys some of these items. So I want to take you over and show you just what they have, because they're fantastic. And what do you guys think of them? Tell me if there's any that you love. Put it in the comments section. Any that you're willing to buy. Their prices start at $19 and then run up from there. They do have hundreds of dollars of items, but a lot of cheap sub $100 space saving items for the entire house, but mainly for the office and organizational and storage. It's fantastic. There's a couple items I'm thinking about buying, even though I have space now, that I just think would make a great addition to either my office here or the studio, or maybe even the bonus room or something. So let's go check them out, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think of all these cool items that Amazon opened up in a space saving furniture section of their website. Say that 3 times fast, right? Let's go over there. Okay, so here's Amazon's space-saving furniture section. This is pretty cool. So there's 114 results that comes up on this. The first one, and like I said, a lot of this material is under $100. So an $89.99 Green Forest folding desk with no assembly required. So this comes ready to go because it is a folding desk. Look, you can literally fit this thing underneath your bed. So if you live in an apartment, or maybe a small New York City condo, or maybe you're renting a room or whatever, this is great. It folds up, it turns into a computer desk where you can sit and work, put your stuff, and then put it away at the end of the day if you have to. Again, they have a folding stool, $38. Another Covas folding desk with no assembly required. This is similar to the other one, just a little bit different, only one level instead of 2. But as you can see, both of the legs will fold in, and then you'll be able to put it away. They have a drying rack for clothes, like if you need somewhere, for laundry. They have this memory foam replacement mattress, breathable, waterproof, with the kind of futon. So it's $159. This is great. We love lift top coffee tables. We have one in our house. We may have 2 soon. So look at this, how much storage you get inside of it, and how much it can lift up and become a computer table, eating, decorations, and then it folds back down into this small little coffee table for a smaller living room if you need, and all your storage for your controllers, your remote controls, your books, maybe your laptop sits in there, maybe whatever it is. It's so much room. It's a soft close and open. It can hold like 100 pounds. It's pretty cool table. We have one similar to that. Another folding computer desk for $70. You have this twin daybed trundle that can be pulled out as 2 beds, 2 chairs from Ball and Cast Kitchens. If you need somewhere to sit, you have these storage ottoman benches that make really great pieces of furniture to store stuff, and then they can be in a living room or at the end of a bed. Lots of options for that. So this store overall just has a ton of cool stuff, and you can click to see all the results and just scroll through all of this. Another lift top. They have the folding end tables. They have the end rest stool seats. All kinds of stuff that will help you. This is a garment rack. So again, that could be for a clothing seller. You could hang clothing from there and take pictures off of it. That's an idea. You've got all kinds of stuff that could really be a rolling C-shaped table that's fold up for a laptop. So lots of options here. I'll link a bunch of this below for you guys. What do you think about these space saving options? What do you think about any of this stuff? Go on your social media, go on Instagram or Facebook and post some of your ideas, some pictures of maybe some of your furniture, your offices, and how you conserve space, and tag me on it so that I can see exactly how you make the most of the room that you have for your business or your office or whatever it might be. So I do really appreciate that, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, as always, the links are below. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, you can put them in the comment section, or you can use rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to get back to you. So make sure you do post those pictures so I can see some of your setups, and tag me on Instagram if you could, or on your Facebook page. I'll see you guys next time. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful rest of your night.